Off-roading in a Lamborghini? Well, that may sound like an odd combo, but the sports car maker's new Huracan Sterrato, which is Italian for dirt road, aims to do just that. We want to bring on Stephan Winklemann, a Lamborghini CEO, as well as our Yahoo Finance senior autos reporter, Praz Subramanian. Stephan, it's great to have you. You're joining us live from Art Basel in Miami, where you did unveil this brand new car. Talk to us just about what we can expect and why Lamborghini is going for the off-road target, I guess, with this new vehicle.
Well, we always do unexpected things. So the Huracan Sterrato is one of those things, that Lamborghini is big in four-wheel drive cars. And this is also the last internal combustion engine only car, which we are going to launch. From next year, there will be all hybrid cars coming to the market. So this is for us also a big deal. The car is unexpected, as I said. It's a car which is fun to drive, not only on gravel roads, on all terrain, but very much also on the racetrack. And it's also a lifestyle car. So it's fun, it's lifestyle, it's performing, and it's beautiful. So it's a real Lamborghini, and I think that it will have a great success.
Hey, Stephan, Praz here. You mentioned that it's a lifestyle car. Is that why you guys are revealing it at Art Basel in Miami?
For us, Miami is at Art Basel a very good attempt to test also new things. We have collaborations with artists like Yamamoto, like Troilo, and also Öfner. And we also have a lot of customers which are interested in art. And so this is a good melange, a good mix, and I think that this will be a good and successful attempt to launch a car in an environment which is different from what we are used to do.
Well, Stephan, let's talk about the current environment right now, because this brand new car, beautiful, costs what, $260,000, $270,000. Obviously, targeting, you always have with Lamborghini, the very, very high-end luxury consumer. Talk to us just about what demand's been like for you, and if this is unlike anything that you've really seen before during what has really been a slowdown, not only in the U.S., but what we're seeing on a global scale.
But we are still going strong. We are selling every month more cars than we are able to produce, despite the fact that we already increased production twice this year. We have an order bank which is higher than 18 months already, and all the, let's say, the things you were mentioning, interest rates going up, inflation, energy cost. This is so far not affecting us, but we are very cautious. We are not running for peaks. You know that exclusivity is also having a time to wait for the cars, also to protect the value of our beautiful cars. And we are not selling mobility. In Lamborghini, we are selling dreams. So this is what it's all about. We not only have customers which very much appreciate our brand, but we also have a huge fan base, especially in the social media. So we are going strong, and it's very difficult now to make a forecast also for the year 2023. So far, 2022 is on a record high when we look into the achievements in the first 9 months, because sales are up 8%, turnover is up 38%, and profits are almost up 70%. We closed the first 9 months with 570 million euro, and this is something extraordinary, and this is much more important than to increase the sales, because visibility is not what we need. We need exclusivity, and we need to keep the dream alive.
Hey, Stephan, looking ahead beyond 2022, 2023, the EV game plan. I know next year you'll have a hybrid coming out in a full EV soon after that. What can you tell us about? Any updates there?
Basically, we're sticking to our plan. In 23 and 24, we are going to hybridize all of our lineup. As you said, the first one will be based on our new V12 cylinder car with a plug-in hybrid system. And then in 24, we will have the new plug-in of the Urus, and then the all-new Huracan by the end of 2024. And at the end of this decade, we will have a new model, model number 4, which will be then the first full electric car. And I think that when this is going to arrive, also electrification will be very compatible with what a super sports car company like Lamborghini is all about.
Yeah, Stephan, I'm curious to get your perspective on that, because a lot of the pushback, at least here in the U.S., as we talk about widespread EV adoption, has been the fact that the infrastructure simply is not built for it right now. As the CEO of Lamborghini, are you confident that the infrastructure will match demand when we're taking a look 10, 15 years down the road?
For us, the first step, as I said, is hybridization. So this is not something which is for us a big issue around the world, and also here in the US, with the infrastructure will be sufficient. In 28, we strongly believe that there will be enough infrastructure for, let's say, the increasing demand of electric cars. And we also have to say that who buys a Lamborghini is not buying it because he needs to do a lot of mileage, but because he loves the car. It's a childhood dream, or in general, he is very much attracted by the brand. So the mileage is low. So the reason why to buy is not because they need to go from A to B on a daily base. And I think that at the end of this decade, the infrastructure and also the charging time will be much better than today. And so also for other brands, which are, let's say, more daily use-oriented, electrification is going to have a boost.
Hey, Stephan, real quick, we have time for one quick question. Your Porsche had a successful IPO for VW Group. Is Lamborghini next?
No, there is nothing planned for Lamborghini.
All right, Stephan, well, you're going to have to join us if that changes, because, of course, there's a lot of anticipation about whether or not Lamborghini is going to go the public route. Stephan Winklemann, always great to have you, CEO of Lamborghini. Thanks so much for joining us.